Hi, I'm Johnson. I'm from AZLAB. We are at ISE 2020. Please come and visit us. Today, we're going to introduce you a brand new software innovated by AZLAB, which is used for the stripes signage. We can use it for the LEDs or for the LCDs. The software is called the SmartBrick Media Center. We have that software can be capable as a content management systems for different kind of stripes, for different kind of video playbacks, and it's a real-time playback and instant and smooth, unprecedented experience for different kind of users, enterprise users, art designers, or even like the interior designers. They can easily install those LED stripes, LCD stripes onto their products or onto their designs. For more product information, please visit us at www.azlab.com.tw.